Hey everyone, so I'm just going to go over the live meeting if you missed it. My hours are just normal school hours, 8 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. And these are the times you can expect a quick response from me. I might reply other times of the day, but those are times that I'll be answering pretty quickly. You can pick up breakfast and lunch at the following schools: Arianes, Jimenez, El Camino, Farallon, Rice, Miller, and Tunnel. The closest school to you is probably Jimenez. If you're going to go pick up your lunch, make sure that you're using the crosswalk if you have to walk there. Other housekeeping, check your email for the Avid application. If you need help on finding this, you can email me and I'll help you. All right, so things you should be doing daily. These are just suggestions. It's at the minimum, I think you should be on Khan Academy for 30 to 60 minutes a day. Do the daily check-ins. That's just a way for us to communicate. Read, of course, just like you would normally be doing, and anything that Mr. Kurth assigns. Everything else I'm posting in Google Classroom is completely optional. So Flipgrid, where we'll be doing estimation 180, is optional. Epic is optional. Those are just ebooks for extra reading. I'm also going to post an Amazon link for Audible. The other assignments Google Doc that I posted is extra. Freckle or MobyMax, if you need to practice your math facts, those are also extra. So minimum, I think, should be just Khan Academy, 30 to 60 minutes. And if you finish all of those courses, then email me and I can assign you 7th grade courses. All right, so Khan Academy is really cool because the courses have you working through kindergarten all the way to 6th grade. So it's a kind of like having a one-on-one tutor. If you click on, I'll upload this PowerPoint. If you click on the link, there's a video explaining how to work through the courses. And again, I'm only suggesting 30 minutes to 1 hour each day. If you need help getting logged in, please email me. One thing I wanted to mention is that you guys can slow down audio in YouTube videos. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that now. Let's go to Google Classroom. I'll open up a video. Let's just do the Khan Academy video I made. So here's information on how to log in.
Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you
about, like, if I'm talking too fast, you go to settings, playback speed, and then you can slow it down right here or even speed it up.
The Khan Academy assignment.
So that's slowed down.
So I'm gonna go to the classwork tab,
and then I'll just put it back to normal.
And then you're using this link right here to join. So you're gonna press join.
So a little bit slower.
You're going to log in to your existing.
Yeah, pretty cool. So the daily check-ins, you're just going to look for those Monday through Friday. It's attendance for the day, and they'll just be a Google form. And then all the optional assignments are here. So Flipgrid's optional. Participation is not mandatory. And then here are other resources that you can use. Kids have been asking about Epic. Their site settings, so their website settings, students must access the books before 3 p.m. So that's just their website policy. If you have any questions, these are the ways you can ask one. You can ask a question in the daily check-in form. You can email me at ccox@smbsd.net, or you can just comment on the assignment in Google Classroom. The best way is probably to just ask a question or email. All right, I hope to see you all soon. I hope you're doing good, and let me know if you have any questions or I can help you in any way.